Renting a car at the airport.
Hello, I need to rent a car, please.
Of course. Welcome to SkyRent. My name is Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. I just arrived at the airport.
Great. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Can I rent a car today?
Yes, we have cars available right now.
That's great. Thank you.
What type of car do you need?
Something small. I am alone on this trip.
We have a small sedan. It is very popular.
How much is it per day?
It is $45 per day.
That sounds good. I need it for 3 days.
Okay. That will be $135 total.
Can I also see the car first?
Sure. We have photos here on the screen.
Oh, it looks nice. I like the color.
It is a silver car. Very clean and new.
Perfect. I will take it.
May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And your passport too, please.
Sure, here's my passport.
Everything looks good. Thank you, Maya.
Do I need to pay a deposit?
Yes. We need a $200 deposit.
When do I get the deposit back?
You get it back when you return the car.
Okay, that is fine with me.
Do you want to pay by card or cash?
I will pay by credit card.
Perfect. Please insert your card here.
Done. Is the payment complete?
Yes, the payment is complete. Thank you.
Does the car have GPS?
Yes, it has a built-in GPS system.
That is very helpful. I don't know this city.
Don't worry. The GPS is easy to use.
Is there a speed limit here?
In the city, the limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
And on the highway?
On the highway, it is 100 kilometers per hour.
Good to know. Thank you for telling me.
Does the car include insurance?
Wait, what do you mean by insurance?
Insurance protects you if the car has an accident.
Oh, yes. Does the rental include basic insurance?
Yes, basic insurance is included in the price.
Is there extra insurance I can buy?
Yes. Full coverage is $10 more per day.
I think basic insurance is enough for me.
That is fine. No problem at all.
Where do I pick up the car?
Go to the parking area. It is level B, space 12.
Level B, space 12. I will remember that.
Here is the key card for the car.
Oh, it is a key card, not a regular key.
Yes, just press the button to unlock the car.
That is easy. Thank you.
The car is full of fuel right now.
Oh, good. Do I need to return it with a full tank?
Yes, please return the car with a full tank.
What happens if the tank is not full?
We will charge you a small fuel fee.
Okay, I will fill the tank before I return it.
There is a gas station near the airport exit.
Perfect. That is very convenient.
Where are you returning the car?
I will return it here at this airport.
Good. Please return it before 6 in the evening.
On which day?
3 days from today. That is Friday evening.
Friday before 6. I understand.
If you are late, there is an extra charge.
How much is the late fee?
It is $20 for every extra hour.
I see. I will try to be on time.
Is there anything else you need to know?
What if the car breaks down?
Call our 24-hour helpline. The number is on this card.
Great, I feel much better now. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is your rental agreement.
Should I sign here?
Yes, please sign at the bottom of the page.
Done. Here you go.
Thank you, Maya. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much, Daniel. You were very helpful.
Have a safe drive and a wonderful stay.
I will. See you on Friday.
See you on Friday. Take care.
Rent. To pay to use something for a time. Reservation. A place you book before you go. Available. Ready for you to use now. Sedan. A normal car with 4 doors. Per day. For each day. Driver's license. A card that lets you drive. Passport. A small book you use to travel. Deposit. Money you pay first and get back. Credit card. A plastic card you pay with. Day payment. The money you give for something. GPS. A machine that shows the way. Speed limit. How fast you may drive. S highway. A big fast road between cities. Insurance. It pays if something bad happens. Fuel. What makes the car go? Tank. The part that holds the fuel. Late fee. Extra money you pay for being late. Rental agreement. The paper you sign to rent. Now watch again without subtitles. How much can you understand? Subscribe for a new English dialogue every week.